You hear genetic information, and people start to worry about it changing their own DNA. What do the sources say about that?
The sources are very definitive on this, and it's cited as one of the technology's biggest strengths. The mRNA molecule never actually enters the cell nucleus.
That's the command center where all our DNA is stored.
Exactly. It stays out in the main part of the cell, the cytoplasm, so it can't, integrate into your genome. The cell reads the instruction, makes the protein, and then the instruction manual just degrades, it disappears. So there's zero risk of infection, and it's incredibly safe.
And the speed of development is another huge factor we saw. With infectious diseases, that makes sense. But why is it so important for cancer?
Well, because the core of the vaccine, the little lipid bubble that delivers the message, that stays the same. The only thing that has to change is the genetic sequence inside.
So you can swap out the instructions?
You can swap them out incredibly fast. This means you can pivot to a new cancer target or even a single patient's unique tumor in a matter of weeks or months, not years. And when you're dealing with a fast-moving cancer, that time is everything.
So it's safe, it's fast, it's effective. What about just the immediate side effects? What are patients in these trials actually feeling?
For the most part, they're described as mild and, they pass quickly. And we're talking about what you'd expect from a typical vaccine.
A sore arm, feeling tired.
Exactly. Local pain, fatigue, maybe a headache. The key thing the sources stress is that these things usually go away in a day or two. And crucially, no serious long-term side effects related to the vaccine itself have been found.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting. We have the mechanism down. But what happens when you combine this with other powerful treatments, like the PD-1 inhibitors that people may have heard of?